Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Lifestyle A to Z. Today I am going to talk about how to study and how your brain works. See, every person is born intelligent. I believe in that every person is born intelligent. We have great memory, we are clever. Only the thing is that we are not following the right pattern of study because we don't understand how our brain works. Research has shown that our brain works in a certain pattern, means maybe my brain or your parents' brain or your everyone is going to work, each and every individual's brain is going to work in this pattern. That is we are, it follows certain forgetting cycles. Suppose whatever today you are studying, whatever you are doing, like watching TV, whatever work you are doing, you are playing outdoor games or you are playing indoor games, computer games, then by hearting the things, watching TV, whatever information that is collected by our brain today, we are going to keep it for 24 hours, and then the first forgetting cycle starts, means some part of the information we are going to lose it in the next day, and this goes on happening. Like tomorrow's information the brain will keep for 24 hours, then again we are going to forget some of the information. This is for the first cycle. So before forgetting this, we have to study. So if I got the question answers today, I have to come home, I have to by heart the question answers. Suppose I am getting question answers for 3 subjects, I have to by heart the question answers for those 3 subjects. If it takes me 2 hours, yeah, it's well and good, I am going to by heart it, but before 24 hours I have to revise it again. Then which is the best time for revision? It is before going to bed. Why? Because research has shown that though our conscious mind is at peace or at sleep, our subconscious mind is working, that is rearranging this information in your brain. Means whatever you have studied in that day, the rearrangement takes place in the night. So which is the best time for revision? Is just before the sleep. Suppose you need 2 to 3 hours for studies, then it will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes for revision, because you are just going to browse for the revision. You are not going to again by heart things, you are just going to read, so it will take less time, and then this will be arranged very nicely. So make it a habit that don't watch TV or play games, video games, and then go to bed, because that information is going to be arranged very nicely. So make it a habit that before going to bed you have to revise your studies. Then what you have to do, suppose today you have done 3 subjects, make it a habit that write the date in pencil, today's date in pencil. Suppose it's 19th June, write the second date for revision, that is 24th June, and the third date will be 23rd July, and then it will be 22nd August, and so on till your exams. What happens is, today if you are studying, and then if you are giving a whole big gap, and then again studying it just before the exam, then most of the information is lost, and that's why you are getting lesser grades or lesser percentage. So revision is very important, because the first cycle is after 24 days the brain is going to forget some part of the information of today. Then the second cycle comes, that after 7 days the some of the portion that is left the next day you are going to forget. Then the third cycle comes, that after a month you are going to forget some of the portion, and so it goes on. So if you are studying today and directly before the exam, then you are going to lose most of the information. So make it a habit that you follow the this cycle, means 24 hours, 7 day, 1 month cycle. Then every month you have to give 10 to 15 minutes. So what I do is, I prepare an index, I write the date which I have studied, the subject means the lessons which I have studied, then write the date which next you have to revise, and then accordingly all the dates. So it becomes very easy. Now you have studied this, and you have studied for every month too, then it's chances are that you are not going to lose anything, you are not going to forget anything, and then it will be very easy for you to prepare for the exams. So please follow this, and see that revision is very important. You have to revise it every month, not that you have by hearted everything and then again you are doing it for the exams. No, you have to by heart it, and every month whatever, yes, the studies have shown that whatever time it takes for the first study, then 1/10 of the time is required for the revision. So if you are studying all the three subjects, four subjects for 2 to 3 hours, then for revision it's hardly 10 to 15 minutes. So that's very easy, and study accordingly. You will get a great percentage, and you will be passing out with flying colors. I'm confident about that. So this is all for today, and thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and comment here, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you. Bye.